Right, this is one of the doors now finished. Oh, well, it's not finished as much as rebuilt. So now it can be trimmed up, cleaned up and revarnished, ready to be used again when the boat's put back together again later on in the restoration. Like with all these jobs, you've got a amount of finishing off and cleaning off the tenants now, which is a lot of we've got to do. Because I've got a bit too much iron out on the plane again. It's jumping again, not a good idea. There we are, that's better. Bit more clean up to be done here. That's better, a lot better now. Now do this end one. Turn it over, and then we've got a difficult one to do now, which is where this is, which is a rebate for the two doors to come together, and so they don't pass each other. So now what I've got to do is clean up these tenants on an angle. So I'll just get them on and get my chisels sharpened, and so they can be done. Right. On the old oil stone, flatten the back of the plate, chisel off, make sure you get a good edge. It's almost there, just a bit more. Right. It's ready to sharpen now. That's it, just got a bit of a burr. Clean that off. Clean the chisel up a bit. And now we're ready to do this work here. Bit with the chisel, and then into the top part of the wedge off with the plane. That's it. Bit more fine trimming on the wedge, so it's level with the rest of it. Clean the residue up with the glue and the rest of the wedge, which has been cut off in the rebate. That's it. That's that one done. What we've got to do is saw into the tenant like so. With the rebate, and come down, make a line for the chisel to run down. That's it. And chisel this off now. It's a bit tight. See? Almost there. Bit of fine chiselling to clean it up. Along the bottom now. There we are. and then a final trim over the top edge of the tent. And there we have it, back as it was originally, all sorted. Now the door repaired and ready to be used again.